Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is an Apple iPhone 6 Plus smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to add Google account to your device Apple iPhone 6 Plus. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to passwords and accounts, and here click on add account, and here select Google. And here you have to input your email, that is Gmail. Here I type my Gmail and click on done. Click on next. In next screen you have to type your password. Here I type my password. I am typing my password. And yes, I typed my password and then click on next. If you have activated two-step verification, it will ask you complete this two-step verification. Click yes and select 65. On other device you go to click yes on the notification and click on 65. What numbers here showing, that you go to select. Yes, it's done. Google account is now added to your device. Okay, click on continue. So in this way you can easily add Google account to your device Apple iPhone 6 Plus. Click on save. Finally account added. See here, account is added now. In this way you can easily do it. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.